Mr. Samuels, you're early. What's on your mind?
Heard about that earned income tax credit. Sure could use the money.
Nice you can make it. Have a seat. So tell me a little bit about yourself. What kind of work do you do?
Bus driver.
And how much did you make last year?
About $12,000.
You live alone?
With my son.
Tell me about him.
Oh, he's name's Charlie. He's 35. I take care of him.
Did Charlie work last year or have any income?
Part of the year, around $9,000.
What about the rest of the year?
He stayed at home. He's disabled.
Oh. Tell me, what happened to him?
Do we really have to go through all this for my taxes?
I know it seems like I'm prying into your personal life, Mr. Samuels, but as your paid preparer, I'm required by the IRS to do what's called due diligence. I have to get certain information to make an accurate assessment of your EITC eligibility. Of course, all your information will be kept confidential and secure. That's also part of my due diligence responsibility.
I see.
Now, have the doctors said anything about Charlie's situation? Is this a permanent disability?
Well, Charlie had a car accident last October. Doctors say the pins in his 2 broken legs could be out early next month. With physical therapy, a month or so later, he could be walking.
I'm glad to hear that Charlie will recover, Mr. Samuels, but I'm sorry. You can't claim Charlie for the EITC. You see, tax law requires that he be disabled for more than 12 months.
So, I can't get the EITC?
Not for Charlie. But it does look like you qualify for a smaller credit for yourself, even without a child, based on income, age, and all the other requirements.
Really? That's great.
So, Mr. Samuels, tell me about your son, Charlie.
Well, after the car accident last October, he can't walk. He's in a chair.
And the doctors say his condition is permanent?
Short of a miracle, yes.
Can you get a doctor's written statement to that effect?
I already did that with Social Security disability because he can't work.
Mr. Samuels, according to what you've told me, you can claim Charlie for the EITC.
Even though he's 35?
Well, his age doesn't matter. His permanent disability keeps him from being gainfully employed. And you meet all the other requirements for the EITC.
Really?
And since you've never claimed the EITC before for yourself, let's look back at your returns for the past couple of years. Maybe you qualified then, too.
That's great. Thanks a lot.